Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A54 and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, before we will actually enter the Play Store, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, so you can be sure that you will not be charged for passing the limit. So after the internet connection, we can enter the Play Store. So let's tap on it. Of course, if you do not have your account added to this device, you will have to sign in right now. After that, simply tap on the circle, which is your account. Then let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage here. As you can see right here, we've got the list of apps which are currently installed on this device, and we can check the updates for all of them just by tapping on Updates Available. And as you can see here, we've got another list of the updates which we can currently download and apply. So basically all you have to do is to simply find those which you'd like to use. So let me pick, for example, Google Chrome. As you can see, you have to simply mark them, for example, the Gmail also. And if you're done with picking all of them, of course you can mark all. Just tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, your device will simply download the update, and after that it will be successfully installed and your device will automatically update the app. So basically you don't really have to do anything more, just wait. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to update the apps in your Samsung Galaxy A54. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.